One mistake online can destroy your life, and sometimes it starts with just one click. Imagine waking up in the morning and opening your phone and realizing something is wrong. Your social media accounts are locked, your bank account shows strange transactions, and your friends are receiving messages from your number asking for money. The scary part is, most people never realize how it actually happened. Let's talk about a real-life situation. Ali was a normal university student. One evening, he received a message on WhatsApp. The message said, "Your account will be blocked. Verify your details now." The message looked official. It had a logo, it had a professional message, and it had a link. So, Ali clicked the link. The page looked exactly like the real login page. Without thinking much, Ali entered his email and password. 2 minutes later, his Instagram stopped working. Then his Gmail logged out. Within minutes, the hacker had access to everything. So how do hackers actually steal your data? Most hackers don't hack systems, they hack people. The first method is phishing links. The second method is fake apps. The third method is public Wi-Fi attacks. But the good news is, you can protect yourself. Tip number 1, never click suspicious links. Tip number 2, always turn on two-factor authentication. Tip number 3, only download apps from trusted sources like the Google Play Store or the App Store. The internet is powerful, but it can also be dangerous. If you want to stay safe online and learn more digital safety tips, make sure to subscribe to this channel.